Did you know 95% of students are unaware of the Pre-11 plus exam syllabus and topics? They fail to find solutions to the actual past paper questions asked by top independent schools and are unable to plan their child's Pre-11 plus exam preparation. Due to this, 8 out of 10 students struggle with difficult topics in maths and English. And most students fail their exams due to poor time management. It's time to stop the struggle. Introducing Pi Academy's 2025 8+, 9+, 10+ Maths and English Past Papers, the best practice resource for the 2026 Pre-11 plus exams of all independent schools. Trusted by 20,000 plus parents, students, and teachers. Access instantly all detailed answers, written by Pre-11 plus experts. This pack consists of 860 plus maths, topic-wise questions, and 40 plus solved past papers of maths and English, including creative writing tasks. Our hints guide students on how to select the correct option, with examiner-written answers, explanations, and our detailed stepwise solutions, with timed guidance for each question and topic-wise tagging, show how to hit top marks. And yes, with this pack, you get the full Pre-11 plus Math Solved topic-wise questions pack for free. What's more, you also unlock the difficulty level-wise planner to practice, revise, and track your child's progress with ease and secure a 95% success rate. So, stop searching and start preparing. Subscribe today to secure your child's Pre-11 plus success.